If you went through a real bad experience, it's a good experience because these are invaluable. What you learn through unpleasant moments in your life is invaluable. If you forget that experience, you are a fool. Only a fool will try to forget. If you are smart, you must remember every unpleasant experience you had without resentment, without anger, without unpleasantness, just in your memory always, so that you never ever get into the same situations again.
Alright guys, what's up y'all? It's your boy Saint. Today, saw a little montage of me doing a little bit of sewing. I got the pockets done. If you haven't seen previous videos of me making these pants, like, just go back and watch those videos if you want to see the process completely. But we got the pockets done, I got the flap done, I got the back pockets done, got the straps done, and we got the waistband done as well. All I gotta do is take the pants, which I got right here. Don't mind the controller. All I gotta do is just do the pants. We got some more fabric for the bags getting cut out over here. So got some more stuff, got them getting cut out over here. So we got the pants over here. I just gotta get them set up and pinned up, and then we'll be ready for that. Yeah, the process for making the pants has gotten a little bit easier now that I know exactly what I'm doing. So it's gonna be fun. So let's get to that stuff. Hey guys, so I pretty much sewed the whole pants together. This is what it looks like right now. Got the pockets on there. I got the back pockets. Got the little flap that's gonna go and wrap around. That's cool. We got the straps on there, and it's pleated as well at the bottom. What I'm about to do now is I'm gonna add the flap. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add the fly front right here to this. So one thing I had to do was I had to extend the fly front because it didn't fit on her correctly. So we just need to extend it to give it a little bit more give for the crotch area. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit more so it looks a little bit prettier. Then I'm gonna add the flap, and then we're gonna add the waistband, put the buttons and buttonholes on it, and it's gonna be a done project. So let's get to that. Boom. Oh, Boom, here we go. So these are the pants now. I decided to do a new technique to the flap, not the flap, the fly front, and I think this is gonna be a way better result. Instead of having it raw, like previous pants that I've made, I ended up doing a zigzag stitch from right here, all the way up from the fly front, all the way up to the waist belt. So this looks really clean. I'm gonna start doing this more to the other pants. So this looks good. All I gotta do now is just add the buttons and then add the logos and then the buttonholes. So this is a done project. I guess we'll see what it looks like on her soon. So you guys will see that, hopefully. But on to the next project. It's been kind of a little break since the stuff that I was working on before, but we got the fabric for the pants, the green pants that you guys saw last week. It's right here. Show a little video of that. All right, so now I have the rest of the fabric, and now I have the flap cut out and ready to go. I have the straps ready to go as well, and then I have the other two back pieces that I actually needed because I only have the front and the pockets. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do the whole process of making these pants, and then I'll show you guys kind of the end process of what they look like. So let's go and get that done. It's also early in the morning. The grind don't stop, so yeah, I'm gonna keep working. So that's the video today, guys. The pants are completed. I'm gonna send those to my boss very soon. All I gotta do is just get the buttons on there, so I gotta get her fitted, put the buttons on, and then hand sew the buttons. But that's a complete project right there. I hope you guys liked the video. It might be a little bit shorter than usual. I really didn't have time to work on other projects because we had pending things coming in and out. So hopefully this week, the next week, you guys see some more like actual production going down. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, all that jazz. Check the website for Black Studio merch. I know you guys are probably wondering when this bag's gonna drop. I don't know. I'm about to make 3 like I told you guys. As well as the other products. They're gonna be on the websites as well if you guys want to shop around and everything. Besides that, I hope you guys love, support everything. Kinda, you know, you've seen. Trying to do everything all at once. So you're subscribing, liking the videos, and sharing it out. It means a lot to me. So I hope you guys have a good day, you know, and take care. Have a great week.